story, bloody, gory. Too many times they say the same damn story. Fake friends and girls are the same category.